Hello everybody, welcome to Shogi Ramen TV. いらっしゃいませ. Let's enjoy shogi with me. Today, I will introduce how to evaluate the positions in the especially mid game. This is very important because you need to choose the play style. For example, if you are better position, it's better to play the simple move. But if you are worse position than the opponent, then you need to take a risk to reverse the game. Okay, let's see. The first point to evaluate is the amount of the pieces. How many pieces do you have is the first important thing. In this situation, you have bishop and silver, and the opponent also have the bishop and silver, and the pawn, you have one pawn, and the opponent have two pawns. So in this situation, about the materials, it's even, more or less even. And next step is the strength of the castles. So in this situation, your castle is the castle with 3 pieces, and the opponent's castle is also the same castle. So the strength of the castle is also same. And what is next is how the pieces works efficiently in the board. So let's see the knight. In this situation, my knight already jumped to here, and he can attack to this position or this position. So you can say he works well, but the opponent knight is still in the initial position, and he will be taken by the rook. So this knight is not good, and so in total you can say that your position is better than the opponent because of the knight usage. This is a good point. So if you succeed to evaluate correctly the position, you can choose the simple way. For example, taking the knight, and this is very simple and useful way, getting the more pieces. Or attack to this position, adding the bishop. This is a very simple attack, but this kind of the simple attack and taking the pieces is very low risk, and it's nice choose when you are the better position. This is another situation. So the difference point is gold. You lost the gold and the opponent has the gold. So let's evaluate this situation. So about the amount of the pieces, opponent has one more gold. So this is better for the Gote opponent. And the strength of the castle point of view, your castle is weaker than the opponent because only the 2 pieces are defending. So about the knight, you have a good point, but in total, your position is worse than the opponent. So in this situation, what you should do in this kind of situation, you need to do you need to take a risk, or you need to make a position more complicated. So for example, in this kind of situation, taking the pawn by the knight, this is a sacrifice, and this gives the opponent to the knight. This is a risk, but you can attack quickly like this. This is a nice attack, but what is a risk? Because you gave the knight, so the opponent can drop the knight. If you take this knight, opponent can drop the bishop, This is check and attack to the rook. So this is a big risk about giving the knight. So, but this kind of the sacrifice with taking a risk is needed, because if you play the just taking the knight, this is low risk, but the opponent can attack like this, dropping the silver. This is very strong, and it's difficult to defend, then you will lose easily. So you have to choose the taking the risk. So for example, another way how to make the position too complicated is this comes the defense with the attack. So this bishop is attacking to the rook. So if the rook take the lance, so you can push this h pawn. This is attack to the h, and if the opponent drop the silver, you can drop the silver. This is also make the situation complicated. So this kind of the play is needed if you are worse position than the opponent to reverse the game. Okay, thank you very much. See you next ramen. Bye bye.